Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to customize your volume panel on Xiaomi Mi 11. First, we have to open Google Play Store and look for an application called Volume Styles. Then simply install it by tapping on this green install button right there. Wait for it to install and then simply open it. Here you have to tap on this start button in the top right corner and give permissions to the application. Simply tap on Accessibility Service, go to Downloaded Apps, pick Volume Styles and set Use Volume Styles to On, like this. Tap on Allow and you can simply go back to the application. Great. Now you can choose between many different themes, for example iOS. And now if we try to change the volume level, as you can see we have this little iOS styled volume panel. Let's try something else, for example there's Windows 10. Let's try this out, and as you can see we've got this Windows 10 styled volume panel, and that's all. You can play with it if you want, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.